Hey guys, we just thought we'd do a little sit and chat for a minute. This has been our full-time daily driver vehicle for 3.5 years, and we've been living in it for 2.5 years. And in that time,
It's been awesome.
We've learned a lot.
It's been awesome, but there is not a commercial vehicle out there that is made to fit every person's needs. Everyone has different, lifestyles, full-time, part-time, what kind of equipment you carry, what kind of toys you haul, all these different variables, what kind of layouts you like or don't like. And this has been the Roadtrek Zion SRT that we're in, has been, of all the Class Bs we've looked at, has been our favorite layout.
Yeah.
But there's things we'd like to see done better.
So I would like a highly organized van, like a place for everything, and everything has a place.
Design the van based on us and our stuff.
Yeah, that would be fantastic. It also would be great to have a 4-season van.
Yeah, everything is kind of give and take in the Class B world. We want to stay Class B. We like being, right now we're at 19.5 feet. I wouldn't mind going up to like a 21 foot, like the full size ProMaster, but no bigger. We just, our lifestyle, the way we travel, the places we like to go see, it works best for us.
Yeah. Now, our problem is we don't really have a shop. Well, we don't have a shop.
Yeah, we'd like to build our own, but obviously, without a shop, without the tools, without a lot of the know-how.
Yeah, we don't have the expertise.
Yeah, we could build a basic one, which we've thought about doing, and there's definitely a place for that. We just, 2x4s and build a frame and make it real basic, but we've kind of wanted, some of the creature comforts of a house, since this is our house.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say is, since we do live in this and we don't have a home, it would be kind of nice to make this exactly how we want it dialed in.
It's been nice to have lithium batteries that, we can cook off an induction, and we can run our air conditioner, and we never have to plug in. We don't have to worry about any of that.
We're spoiled.
Yeah, we got spoiled, and it's like anything. Once you have something for long enough, like take away your cell phones now, you can't do it.
No.
Right. So once you get used to something, we could, but we don't want to. We want to do something that's going to be something, maybe our forever van.
Yes. So we don't have the shop, we don't have the know-how, we don't have the tools.
We just have lots of ideas and, of things that we would like to see. After living in it for over 30 months, we kind of know what we like and what we don't like. So
we're not in a position to really build out what we want ourselves.
So we have a friend.
But we do know a guy.
Yeah, we have a friend that lives on the other side of the country, and we were hoping to get him on the cell phone today and actually have a conversation with him while we're doing this video.
Yeah.
But there's no cell service.
Yeah. That's kind of the best spots have no cell service, right?
But we do have a direct line to him.
Yeah, we do have a direct line. You should give him a call.
Let's call him.
Now that the flooring is in, I have some big news about the... Direct line, huh?
Hey George, Dave here. How you doing? Hey, sorry to bother you on the direct line, but no cell service again where we're at. We've been talking kind of like to our viewers a bit about our thoughts on a van build, and I thought I'd give you a call and ask you some questions. Do you have a few minutes?
Sure. Van build. I love those two words.
Irene's right here next to me. I'm going to put you on speakerphone, all right?
Hey George, how's it going?
Hi, Irene.
We got some fantastic ideas here.
Great.
What do you got going on this summer? We have some thoughts about maybe doing a van build on a ProMaster. What do you think?
This summer? This summer. I should be available. Hey, you guys could come out here and stay at the shop. We could test our ideas together every day.
Yeah, so what we're looking for is going to be a 4-season, no lines outside, fully insulated, super organized forever van.
Lots of storage, and that's kind of what we're looking at. Probably on the full size ProMaster. As you know, we're in the 2500. We're kind of thinking about the 3500. Got any of those laying around the shop or anything?
I just happen to have exactly what you're looking for.
Oh, you do?
And it's configured pretty nice.
Oh, hey, could you set the phone down for a minute and maybe just grab a real quick shot inside and out of it just so we can kind of take a look at it?
Yeah, we're not real sure about the floor plan, but maybe you could do a couple cardboard mock-ups, and we could...
Yeah, what are your thoughts on like a to scale cardboard mock-up that we could play with?
I do cardboard. We can build those modules, move them around in the van to your heart's content till you get them just the way you want them.
Yes, that sounds amazing.
Let's do it.
Yes!
I think we're pulling the trigger.
All right, let's do it. I'm gonna hang up now.
We'll see you in a few weeks.
All right, bye. Click.
All
This was
joking aside, this is our summer project. We're going to be building our forever van with George from Humble Road.
If you haven't checked out Humble Road's YouTube channel, go check it out now. We'll put a link to his channel in the description. But he's just finishing up building an amazing Class B on a Sprinter chassis. We've known George for a while. If you saw when we were at the Tampa RV show, we did a little video. We talked with George and showed his Pleasure Way that he built the wooden screen door. That's George, and he actually did a short video that included us in it at the RV show.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's a great guy, great builder, very meticulous.
I think between the three of us, we can come up with some fantastic ideas. Also, he's going to be filming it. We're going to be filming it.
We have a lot of cool ideas, like roof rack and a kayak rack, and I mean,
we won't really know till we get elbow deep into it. So I'm excited to get back there.
yeah. So that's our big announcement. For those who've been wondering, I know everyone kind of thought it was going to be a destination.
Kind of is.
It is a destination. It's really strange because this is the second time I've traveled across the country to New Jersey 30 plus years apart with a lot of anticipation and unknown. That's where I went to boot camp for the Coast Guard in Cape May, New Jersey. So now I'm going to New Jersey again for something new and exciting, and probably less push-ups.
Less push-ups.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of vagabonding going on there too. I mean, I know we're going to be in the shop with him building, but there's going to be probably plenty of opportunity to go.
Yeah, George says there's a lot of cool stuff to do around there. I was worried about cycling, but he said there's some farm roads outside of where his shop is, that there's some places to go, and of course there's the Jersey Shore nearby. Oh, there's so much. I mean, we're really excited, and we're really glad to work with George because well, just check his channel out and you'll see it's going to be a great opportunity for us to work with someone and that has the place and the ability and the tools to do what we really want to do.
And it's so great because we can live in this while we're building out, so it's not really,
and
we're not going to be rushed doing it. Like we have a deadline. Would be nice to get done within a few months, but
yeah. And then once that one's done and we run it through its test and put it through the paces, then this is going to go up for sale. Once he gets done with the van he's working on, we should be getting over there about the same time. And
yeah.
We'll go to work. So
Right.
hopefully you guys are excited, and hopefully you're excited to take part in this next short little venture we're going to have in our life. But once we get this new van,
Oh, it's just going to be...
I mean, where we're going to go, I don't know.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, there's so many places. There's going to be nothing underneath it. Ah.
Yeah. We don't know. We'll see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Sorry to bother you on the direct line, but we don't have any cell service where we're at. Wanted to give you a call and ask you some questions. Is this a good time?
I tried to hold him in. I tried so hard.
This is why we don't script anything.
Okay. This will be good for bloopers. Okay. Okay. Go. You don't use hard. I was doing so good.
I can just hear you. It's like I'm not going to start if you're going to laugh.
I'm so sorry. Okay, baseball.
Tell you're going to laugh.
You're so dumb.
It's the corniest thing ever. Whose idea was this, George?
Oh my god. I die. It's getting hot in here. Okay, go.
Hey, George, Dave.
No, you had it. You had it in the bag. Okay.
Hey, George, Dave.
No.
I was fine.
You were doing good.
Talk to the freaking can. Okay, think of something. Okay.
What do you think of?
Hey, George, Dave.
No,
I'm talking in a can now.